Yeah, so the last time we made a video, we talked about AI using ChatGPT. So today we're making use of the copilot tool and same AI in solving important problem. What's up, guys? This is Unique Vid here again. If it's the first time you're here with us, kindly smash the subscribe button and follow us for more videos like this one. So first of all, we'll be talking of how to use the AI to solve mathematical problems. So I made this post on my status, was it 2 days ago? And then I got some responses here. So on my status, I said divide 50 by half and add 20. So we had options of 22, 45, 100, 120. Now, what do you think is the answer? A quick one. Okay, so some person said 45, some said 120, some said 22, and some said 20, and like that, like that, like that. You can see a list of the screen and the answers a lot of persons gave to me. So today we'll be using the copilot to ask and see what the copilot actually has to say about this question. So let's forge ahead to ask this question. So it said divide 50 by half and add 20. So what do you think the answer will be? And one thing with AI too is it gives you the answer and also explains how it gets to that answer. Well, at this point, I know a lot of people will shake because I know most of the people I got, most of the people that responded to the answer said 120. And then what is Copilot giving us? Copilot said 45. Let's see how they arrived at 45. He said, the classic maths riddle. Let's break it down step by step. Now, first of all, it said divide 50 by half, right? Half of 50 is 25. So we get 50 over 50 divided by 2, which is 25. Then it said 2, it said add 20. Now add 20 to the result from the step 1. That is 25 plus 45. Then that means we're going for option B, that is 45. But on the second thought, I was looking at it like, are you sure this is not actually not 120? Well, we'll leave it for everybody to go to court. Let's go to court and see what happens. Yeah, so ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini are actually efficient in the calculations, mathematical calculations, and so many other things. So today we're going to try an equation on my Copilot. So let's use this equation: x minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0, and see what Copilot to bring out of this equation. Okay. Okay, so you say algebra. So Copilot recognize this equation to be an algebra equation, and let's solve this equation together. He said giving the equation is x minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Please note, I am not encouraging the young guys in secondary school to use AI to solve problems, except now this question is more like very difficult and you don't have anyone to tutor you. Then you can run to Copilot or ChatGPT to tutor you and show you how this works. And maybe you can actually apply this same step to other solutions and enjoy yourself. So he said combine the like terms together. You know this stuff we did in secondary school. Once the positive is moving to is crossing the equal sign, it turns negative and vice versa. So we did all this, and then he said the solution is x is equal to minus 24. He still went ahead and said, feel free to ask if you have any more math problems or need further clarifications. If you need further clarifications, you can also say, okay, yes, I need further clarification, and they will still break it down to pieces for you. Tell me if you learned something new today. But if you've not followed us before, kindly hit the subscribe button to follow us for more videos like this one. In our next video, I'll be talking about how to use the Copilot to draft a CV, an extensive CV. How AI can do a lot of things. See you then. Catch ya.